Good morning, students. Our next problem is based on addition of matrices. Yesterday we discussed about addition of matrices, how to do. So one more question: if a plus 2b is equal to 1456, here a plus 2b, a b are cap letters, is equal to 1456. It is a matrix. That means whenever they given like this, they are, that means we can understand this here a comma b are also matrices. Okay, second one, 2a plus 3b is equal to 0 minus 5 6 7. So here also we can understand here a comma b are matrices. So it will be in the form of, you understand, some your ninth class we have linear equations. Okay, pair of straight lines, otherwise pair of straight lines. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8x plus 2y is equal to 7, like that. So how can you solve this one? By elimination method, you know very well how to solve. How to solve? If you want to eliminate x to get y, if you want to eliminate x, make x coefficients are equal. If you want to make x coefficients are equal, so multiply this 2 to this entire equation and multiply this 1 to this entire equation. Then coefficients of x will be equal. Then if they have the same sign, subtract, opposite sign, add, then x will be eliminated, then you can find the value of y. Okay, similarly here also you do same thing to get a, equate coefficients of b. Okay, and if you want to get b, equate coefficients of a. So by elimination method we can find the remaining one. Okay, here you understand, given first equation is a plus 2b is equal to 1456. Second equation 2a plus 3b is equal to 0 minus 5 6 7. So I am going to find out matrix B first. So then we have to equate coefficients of A. How can you equate? Here coefficient of A is 1. So multiply this 1 to second equation. Here coefficient of A is 2. Multiply this 2 to first equation. So 2 into first equation implies 2A plus. That means multiplication means we have to multiply every term. So 2a plus 2 into 2 4b is equal to 2 times of 1456. Next, second equation 1 into 2 we have to do because your coefficient is a is 1. So 1 into 2 means only 2 only. So write directly second equation 2a plus 3b is equal to 0 minus 5 6 7. Now 2a 2a. So both have same sign, here plus here plus. So then you have to subtract. Subtract means second equation's sign should be changed. Plus means minus, plus means minus. Here also nothing there means plus means minus. So subtract 2a minus 2a, cancel. 4b minus 3b, b is equal to this term minus this term. This term means we have to simplify. This 2, it is a constant. This constant multiply to one matrix means that constant multiply to every entry in that matrix. That is 2 into 1 2, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 5 10, 2 into 6 12, minus 0 minus 5 6 7, that is equal to 2 minus 0. So subtraction, already I told you. Addition, how you are going to do, same procedure we have to apply for subtraction. But in middle, actually if it is plus is there, 2 plus 0. If it is minus is there, 2 minus 0. That is only the simply you can do. So 2 minus 0, that is 2. 8 minus of minus 5. 8 minus of minus 5 means 8 plus 5, that is equal to 13. 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5. If you want to find out the matrix A, similarly we can do this one. That means if you equate the coefficients of B, how can you equate? Here coefficient of B is 2, this 2 multiply to entire equation, second equation, and this 3 multiply to entire equation 1. Then same procedure. Then after multiplication you get B coefficients are equal in both equations. Then again you subtract, then you get the matrix A directly. Okay, so if you want to do, you do this finding matrix A. So any doubt, please ask me. Okay. Next one is multiplication of two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices A comma B is possible only when number of columns of A equal to number of rows in B. Yesterday, addition of matrices I gave condition. What is the condition? Addition of matrices addition of A comma B is possible when they have same order. When they have same order only addition possible. So multiplication means Little bit different. Very, very important. Only when number of columns of A equal to number of rows in B. Very, very important. That means if you want to do A comma B, if you want to do this A comma B multiplication, that means A into B we want. A into B. A into B if you want, first we have to check it out. Number of columns in A equal to number of rows in B or not. Okay, number of columns in A equal to number of rows in B. That means number of columns in first matrix equal to number of rows in second matrix. Then only A into B is possible. Next one. For suppose if you want to do BA, order is important. BA means first matrix is B, second matrix is A. So that means number of columns in first matrix B is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Then only BA is possible. If AB is possible means need not to say BA is possible. I will explain. See here, if order of A is m by n and order of B is n by p. See here, number of columns in first matrix A is equal to n, number of columns in second matrix B is equal to n. Number of columns in first matrix A is equal to n, number of rows in second matrix B is n. Okay, here first one is always rows, second one is always columns. So here rows of columns of A is equal to rows of B. Then A into B is possible. But once you check it out, BA, number of columns of B is equal to P, number of rows of A is equal to M. These two are not equal, so BA is not possible. Okay, see, and one more thing, the resulting matrix, if AB is possible, then what is the order of A into B? That A into B is nothing but, so these n equal remaining numbers M and P. So number of rows in A is equal to M, number of columns in B is equal to P. So order of AB is M by P. M by P. Okay. One example you take. If A is equal to ABC, DEF, B is equal to XP, YQ, ZR. Okay. So here they given 2 by 3 order. Sometimes they won't give this order here. Then we have to calculate and mind it. Okay. So here number of rows 1, 2. Number of columns 3, 2 by 3. Here for B, number of rows 3, number of columns 2. Okay, this is 3 by 2. Now A into B is possible or not? Once you check it out. So number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. So it is possible. And what about the resulting matrix order? 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Okay. Now how to multiply, I will explain now. Okay. See here, this 2 by 2 matrix, how it will be? So generally 2 by 2 matrix gives in general form A11, A12, A13, A14. This is A11, A12, A21, A22. Yes, sorry here. So A21, A22, A11, A12, A21, A22. Already I told you. This is first row, this is second row. Okay. A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay. See how you get this A11 in resulting matrix AB is sum of the product of the entries of first row of first matrix to the entries of first column of second matrix. That gives A11. 11 means, this one means first row of first matrix. This one means first column of second matrix. So already I gave one expression. What is that? Sum of the product of the corresponding elements of first row of first matrix to the first column of second matrix. That means A into X, okay, product, B into Y, product, C into Z. These are the corresponding elements. For A, X corresponding, B, Y corresponding, C, Z corresponding. Actually, in the two matrices, corresponding elements are A, X, B. Actually, here orders are not equal, so we can't say corresponding elements. So those in the equality of matrices, corresponding elements are different. That means in two different matrices, corresponding elements are different. Here corresponding elements means first row, first column corresponding means first element, second element, third element. Like that we have to say. So what I give the condition? Sum of the product of the corresponding elements. Sum of product of which product? This product, this product, this product. So these three sum we have to take. So that gives A11, AX plus BY plus CZ. So what about A12? So A12 means 1 means same first row, 2 means second column. Same procedure. Sum of the product of the corresponding elements of first row of first matrix to the second column of second matrix. Okay, that means product is AP, BQ, CR. That means how can you write here? AP plus BQ plus CR. So this procedure is continuation up to how many columns in second matrix are there? Here only two columns. If you have one more column, then we have to continue same A, B, C with third column elements. If you have fourth column, A, B, C with fourth column elements, like that. So only two columns are there. Just you leave for first row of resulting matrix. Next, to get A21, how can you get A21? Sum of the product of the corresponding elements of second row of first matrix to the first column of second matrix. Same procedure. Here to get the first row of resulting matrix, we used first row of first matrix. To get the second row of resulting matrix, you have to use second row of first matrix, and we have to apply the condition for columns in second matrix. So same procedure, DEF multiply to XYZ and add them. That gives A21 position. That means what? How can I write this is DX plus EY plus FZ over. Next, same second row with here second column. So what is that? DP plus EQ plus plus FR. You have one more column, same procedure. Here also, if we have one more row, same procedure. This row with this column gives here a position. Next, this row with this column gives here position. Okay, like that. Actually, here only two rows, just to stop the question. So this is the product of A comma B. See, if you take one more example, here I took alphabets, so no need to simplify, just to stop. If you go for elements, that means numbers. So here elements are here numbers. So if you take numbers, how it will be? We have to simplify. Clear. So first question here, A is equal to 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 5. B is equal to 2 3 4 5 2 1. So if you want to find out a product of AB, see here what are the number of rows here in the first matrix? 2. Number of columns are 3. So this is 2 by 3. What about number of rows in second matrix? That is 3. And number of columns is equal to 2. 3 by 2. See here, is it multiplication possible or not? That is the important. Yes, here 3 by 3. Okay, here what it is? 3, 3. Both are equal. Number of columns in first matrix, number of rows in second matrix are equal. Okay, so 3, 3 are equal. So resulting matrix order is 2 by 2. Okay, 2 by 2. So here also we have A11, A12, A21, A22. So AB means AB means 1 into same position, sum of the product of the first row to first column. So 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. So A11 position completed. Next, same procedure. First row to second column. 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. So first row completed. Okay. Same. So we have this column, this row to column. So we have one more column, we have to continue procedure. So there is no more column, so stop here. Next, second row to first column elements. What about this? Minus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 4, this 2, this 4 plus 5 into 2. Okay. Next one is minus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1 over. Okay, this row to second column also completed. There are no more column, stop, and there is no more row, stop. So this is simplification. 2 minus 8 plus 6 minus 8 plus 2 plus 6 plus 8. So minus 8 plus 8 0. Next 3 1 into 3 3 minus 10 plus 3. So minus 10 plus 6 gives minus 4. Next minus 8 plus 8. Actually here cancel. So 5 into 2 10 we have. Minus 4 3s are 12 plus 2 5s are 10. Minus 12 plus 10 minus 12 plus 10 that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5 that gives 3. So the answer for this AB is 2 by 2. I will explain remaining problems in next video.